Hi all, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and this is for you Taurians. Alright. I really like Taurians. I feel they're very romantic in nature. Yep. So this video is all about the month of December for you all Taurians, and let us see how will be your month of December. Okay, Tarot, give me the cards for the Taurians. Lovely. This time I'm removing 7 cards. Okay. Earlier I used to remove 6 cards. This time I'm guided 7 cards. Taurians in December. Oh my god. Career-wise, success. Amazing success when it comes to career. Amazing success. Okay. Overall, what I feel in this month of December for you Taurians is you need to just work on your perception of yourself and others. Okay. There might be a time in December where you feel that you're falling down the tower. ऐसा हो सकता है, might happen that someone will elevate your expectations and then put you down. This might happen. It could be like in share market. It could be like in share market, like you feel ki this much would be the profit and you fall down. Or it could be emotional. You might feel ki this person will really do good for me, or is thinking good for me. He might elevate your expectations and hurt you. Or even money. So basically what I see here is you are maybe expecting wrong from the wrong people. And I never judge people by saying this. I always say that sometimes people are wrong. Wrong as in you choose the wrong people. And sometimes you choose the wrong timing. And sometimes both is wrong. Again, no one is wrong as such. It's like, how will that person serve your purpose? How will that person make you learn? How will that person give you an experience? So for a certain experience, if you choose a certain person, subconsciously, I don't mean to say that you deliberately tell people come and hurt me, but subconsciously, if you choose a certain person, then it is obviously for a certain experience. Alright. So when the person is doing his job good, then you should not perceive things bad. Because there's a card where you have all the swords in your hand, but you are still looking at these people and feeling as if they'll take away your security, they'll take away your potential. Mind you, no one can take away your potential or your karma, your naseeb. दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का नाम. You know that phrase. So be rest assured. And sometimes even if this card is very good in career, but you might act a little childish. There's a child. So it's good to be curious, it's good to be impulsive, it's good to be enthusiastic. But you might act like a child. Anyway, there will be no money issue for you. There will be no other career issue for you. But personally, you might trust wrong people. Personally, you might perceive people wrong. I mean, where you have to trust, you might not trust. And where you should have trusted, you might not. So that's something you need to know. And just don't perceive people wrong. I generally use my dowsing method. This is the best thing that I do. So, yeah, I'll show you. So, if my dowsing pendulum goes clockwise, then it's a yes answer. I'm deliberately doing this, okay? It's a yes answer. If my dowsing pendulum goes anti-clockwise, it's a no answer, okay? So, if I ask you, this is the person in my life and shall I choose him or her as a partner? If it goes clockwise, I'm deliberately doing this. If it goes clockwise, then yes. So there are so many methods. You can do a tarot reading with me. You can do a North Polarity test with me. You can do a lot of angel answers with. These are all my angel decks. So we could help you do that. We are here to help you only. So I'm here to warn you first that this might happen. But I'm here to help you as well. So if any such decision is to be taken, I'm always there. Overall things feel good and you have all the strength. See, you have the strength of love. You have all the strength. So this person is also taking care of a lion. Look at that. And very calmly. So you have this strength, don't forget. No one will take away your swords. No one will make your potential go away. No one is going to take your credit away. Be rest assured. Be self-confident and be happy. So yes, I have given you the dowsing tip. I have told you what all December holds for you. And what else? I mean, I generally wear carnelian for health purpose and confidence purpose also. And even I'm wearing a smoky quartz. See, this is a smoky quartz which will keep you grounded also and give you that confidence and keep you away from negativity. So this is something that you could use this month under your pillow if you don't want to use a bracelet or a pendant or in your wallet or in a pocket. So smoky quartz this time in December. All right. Yes. Take care and I hope this year has served you well and the coming year also will serve you well. I am going to make a video on the upcoming year. How will the upcoming year fare for the Taurians also? You better watch it and you better subscribe to my channel. Share this video with others so that they get these insights. Thank you so much.